Hi guys, welcome to iPhoneTopics.com YouTube channel. Today I'm going to give you the solutions for all your iOS problems. Hereafter you don't need to try different solutions. One solution is enough to fix all your iOS issues. Can you guess what's the solution? That is Tenorshare Reboot. Here single click is enough to enter or exit recovery mode. Okay, let's see what are the problems can be fixed with Tenorshare Reboot. First, I am going to show you how to enter or exit recovery mode with a single click. Launch Tenorshare Reboot. Connect your iOS device through USB cable. Here you can see that Reboot automatically detects your iPhone. Click Enter Recovery Mode to put your iPhone in recovery mode. Now you can see the recovery mode screen on your iPhone. Click Exit Recovery Mode to get out of recovery mode. Now your iPhone will become normal. You can fix all your iOS problems very easily with Tenorshare Reboot. Let's see how to use Reboot. Launch Tenorshare Reboot. Connect your iOS device through USB cable. Here you can see that Reboot automatically detects your iPhone. Click Repair Operating System. Here you can see 4 options. Select the option depends upon your problem and then click Fix Now. Again click Fix Now. Reboot will ask you to download the latest firmware for your iPhone. Click Download. Wait until the downloading process is finished. When downloading process is finished, your iPhone will reboot.